Okay, next topic is very interesting topics. Operational matrices. Operational matrices. Okay. The first topic is addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction of the matrices. Two matrices can be added or subtracted if they have the same order. Two matrices can be added or subtracted if they have the same order. To add or subtract two matrices, simplify, add or subtract the corresponding entries of the given matrices. Okay. Example. So A equal to given matrices 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. To find A plus B. Order of A equal to, what is the order of matrix A? How many rows? 1, 2 rows. So how many columns? 1, 2 columns, 2 by 2. And second one, the second matrices, order of matrices of B is first row and second row. So 2 rows and 2 columns. If the order of A matrix and order of B matrix, order of A equal to order of B, both are equal, can be added, in case the order of A and order of B is not equal, cannot be added. Therefore, the corresponding entries of the given matrices, add the corresponding entries of A and B. What we find? A plus B. So A plus B, which is equal to, in matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and matrix B is 2, 3, 4, 5, adding the corresponding entries of A and B. So A and B. So A, the first element, B is first element. Add up first element plus first element. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 1 plus 2, first element. And second element to second element. 2 plus 3. Next, 3 plus 4. Next one, last one. 4 plus 5. Now simplify. 2 plus 1 equal to the value 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. And 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. That's it. Okay. This is the addition of two matrices. Next is subtraction of two matrices. And again, to find another example. Example 2. This is example 1. This is example 2. A minus B. How to subtract the A minus B? So A equal to, same value, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. The middle value is negative value, subtraction. The same condition, two matrices can be subtracted if they have the same order. Check the order, 2 by 2. First one, A is 2 by 2, B equal to 2 by 2, same order. To subtract two matrices, simplify, subtract the corresponding entries of the given matrices. The same condition. If two matrices order is same, subtract the corresponding elements. So 1 minus 2. Next 2 minus 3. Next 3 minus 4. And 4 minus 5. Now simplify. So 1 minus 2 equal to what is the value? Negative value. 2 minus 3 equal to the value? Minus 1. 4 minus 4 equal to minus 1. 5 minus 5 equal to minus 1. So this is called A minus B. The first one is A plus B, second one equal to A minus B. This is called addition and subtraction of the matrices. Okay, next properties of matrix addition. Properties of matrix addition. So first property, a plus b equal to b plus a. That property is commutative property. So a plus b equal to b plus a is the commutative properties. Commutative property means let us consider a equal to some values. So a equal to matrix 1 plus b equal to matrix 2, which is equal to a is matrix 1, b is matrix 2. So 1 plus 2 equal to the value 2, which is equal to right hand side value b plus a. b plus a. Replace b. b equal to the value 2, matrix 2, and a equal to matrix 1. What is the value? 1 plus 2 equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3, and right hand side, this is LHS, is a plus b. In RHS, b plus a equal to matrix 2, b value is 2, and a value equal to 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So 3 equal to 3. This property is called commutative properties. LHS equal to RHS. A plus b equal to b plus a. That is called commutative property. Next, associative properties. Addition of associative properties. A plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c is associative properties. Now let us substitute any value. A equal to some value. So a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and c equal to 3 to substitute in this property. LHS. LHS a plus b plus c. Now substitute a equal to b plus c value. So b equal to substitute in this bracket value first. Okay. Now b value, b equal to value 2 and c value equal to 3. B plus c equal to, what is the value? B plus c equal to 2 plus 3, and replace a value. A equal to 1. Again replace value. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 5 equal to 6. So LHS equal to 6. Next RHS. RHS a plus b plus c. A plus b into plus c. So a value, replace a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and c equal to 3. A plus b, so a equal to 1 plus b equal to 2 plus c value equal to 3. Now simplify. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is called associative property. Associative property. Third one is additive identity. Additive identity. The null matrix or zero matrix is the identity for the matrix addition. So identity, additive identity means, so a plus any zero matrix, a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to, what is the value? A. That's it. This is the property. A plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to a, where 0 is the zero matrices. 0 is the zero matrices. Zero matrices. The last one is additive inverse. If A be any given matrix, then minus A, that is inverse. Minus A is the additive inverse of A. Inverse of A. Therefore, the condition is A plus and inverse of A, additive inverse of minus A equal to minus A plus A. A plus inverse of minus A, which is equal to minus A plus A, which is equal to, what is the value? 0. Additive inverse is always 0. And additive identity is A. That's it. Okay, exercise 3.17. If A equal to one of the matrices, B equal to another matrix, then verify that the first condition is A plus B equal to B plus A, and second condition A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. The first one is the commutative properties. Commutative property means A plus B, which is equal to B plus A. And second condition is additive inverse property. Additive inverse property. So A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. Okay. Now the first condition is the first one. So A plus B equal to B plus A is a commutative property. Commutative property. Now check the order of matrix A. What is the order? 1, first row, second row, third row. Okay, 3 row and 2 column. And order of B is first, second, third row. So 3 row and second column. Check the order of matrix A and B. the order, both the orders are same. Both the orders are same. Therefore, this addition of matrices, two matrices can be added. Can be added. So matrix of A plus B. Now left hand side value. So LHS is A plus B. A plus B equal to, what is A? A is 1, 9, 3, 4, A minus 3 plus B equal to 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 0. Both the matrices are ordered same, which is equal to adding the corresponding elements of the given matrices. So 1 plus 5 equal to, what is the value? 6. So 9 plus 7 equal to 16. Next 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Minus 3 plus 0 equal to minus 3. So left hand side, this is equation 1. Right hand side RHS equal to second property B plus A. Right hand side property B plus A. So where B equal to, what is the B value? Matrix of B is 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 0 plus A equal to 1, 9, 3, 4, 8 minus 3. Now adding the corresponding elements of the given matrices. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 7 plus 9 equal to 16. 3 plus 3 equal to, what is the value? 6. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. 0 minus 3 equal to minus 3. Now check the property LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, A plus B equal to B plus A. The first property is verified. First property is verified. Okay, second one, additive inverse property. Second one, A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to the value 0. So second condition. So A equal to, what is the value? 3 by 2 matrices. A equal to 1, 9, 3, 4, 8 minus 3. This is A. Second property is left hand side. See, LHS left hand side, A plus minus A. The negative of A equal to multiplying by minus sign in minus 1, minus sign into 1 minus 1, minus into 9 equal to minus 9, minus into 3 equal to minus 3, minus into 4 equal to minus 4, multiply minus 8, minus 8, minus into minus plus 3. So this is called negative of minus A, negative of minus A. Now LHS property, left hand side property, A plus minus A. So A plus minus A, which is equal to, adding these two values. So A equal to the value 1, 9, 3, 4, 8 minus 3. The inverse of A is plus minus 1 minus 9, minus 3 minus 4, minus 8 plus 3. Now plus 1 minus 1 0, plus 9 minus 9 0. So what is the value? Plus 1 minus 1 0, plus 9 minus 9 0, 3 plus 3 minus 3 0, plus 4 minus 4 0. All the elements are 0. So 0 equal to 0. These are 0 matrices. 0 matrices. LHS over. Next RHS. RHS minus A plus A. So minus A equal to this value. Minus A plus A equal to, minus A equal to minus 1 minus 9, minus 3 minus 4, minus 8 3, plus A equal to, what is the A value? 1 9, 3 4, 8 minus 3. Now simplify. Minus 1 plus 1, what is the value? 0. Minus 9 plus 9, 0. So two matrices are same order. Therefore, adding the corresponding entries of the given matrices are minus 3 plus 3 is 0. All the elements are 0. So which is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. So HP, henceforth.